The Tuscan Voyage. Chapter 9. Reflecting on our Tuscan journey, the growth we've experienced. In the tapestry of our Tuscan voyage, we have undergone a profound transformation, a metamorphosis of the soul. The journey to Tuscany was not merely a physical displacement. It was a pilgrimage of self-discovery, a quest for meaning and purpose in a world that often feels chaotic and overwhelming. Like seeds planted in fertile soil, we have blossomed under the Tuscan sun. The beauty of our surroundings, the warmth of the people, and the richness of the culture have nurtured our growth and encouraged us to reach new heights. We have learned to appreciate the simple things in life, to find joy in the everyday, and to embrace the unexpected with open arms. One of the most significant ways we have grown is in our understanding of ourselves. Living in Tuscany has forced us to confront our fears, our limitations, and our deepest desires. We have learned to be more resilient, more adaptable, and more compassionate. We have shed the masks we wore in our previous lives and have emerged as more authentic and genuine versions of ourselves. We have also grown in our appreciation for other cultures. Living in Tuscany has taught us that there is no one right way to live. We have learned to respect and embrace the differences that make us unique and to see the world through the eyes of others. This newfound understanding has made us more tolerant and accepting of others, and it has opened our hearts to new possibilities. Perhaps the most profound growth we have experienced is in our connection to the natural world. Tuscany's breathtaking landscapes have awakened our senses and ignited a deep appreciation for the beauty and fragility of our planet. We have learned to live in harmony with nature, to tread lightly upon the earth, and to cherish the gifts that it provides. As we reflect on our Tuscan journey, we are filled with gratitude for the growth we have experienced. We are more self-aware, more compassionate, more tolerant, and more connected to the world around us. We are better people for having lived in Tuscany, and we are forever grateful for the lessons we have learned. Chapter 9. Reflecting on our Tuscan journey, the lessons we've learned. Over the course of our Tuscan voyage, we have gathered a wealth of lessons that have enriched our lives and transformed our perspectives. These lessons have come from our experiences, our interactions with the people of Tuscany, and the beauty and wisdom of the region itself. One of the most profound lessons we have learned is the importance of living in the present moment. In Tuscany, we discovered a culture that embraces the simple pleasures of life and cherishes the beauty of everyday experiences. We learned to slow down, to savor the flavors of a perfectly ripe tomato or the scent of a blooming rose. We learned to appreciate the company of friends and family, and to find joy in the simple act of sharing a meal or taking a walk in the countryside. Another important lesson we learned is the value of community. In Tuscany, we found a strong sense of community and belonging. We were welcomed with open arms by our neighbors and quickly became part of the fabric of the local community. We learned the importance of helping one another and working together for the common good. We also learned the value of preserving traditions and customs that have been passed down through generations. Living in Tuscany has also taught us the importance of embracing change and adapting to new situations. We learned to navigate a different language and culture, and to appreciate the unique perspectives and ways of life that exist beyond our own. We learned to be flexible and open-minded, and to embrace the unexpected. Perhaps the most important lesson we have learned is the importance of gratitude. We are grateful for the opportunity to have lived in Tuscany, to have experienced its beauty and culture, and to have made lifelong friends. We are grateful for the lessons we have learned and the growth we have experienced. And we are grateful for the memories that we will cherish forever. These are just a few of the many lessons we have learned during our Tuscan voyage. We are forever grateful for our time in this magical region, and we know that the lessons we have learned will stay with us for the rest of our lives. Chapter 9. Reflecting on our Tuscan journey, the memories we've made. Over the years we spent living in Tuscany, we accumulated a treasure trove of memories that we will cherish forever. From the simple pleasures of everyday life to the extraordinary adventures we embarked on, Tuscany filled our hearts with joy and wonder. Strolling through vineyards under the Tuscan sun. One of our favorite pastimes was to wander through the sprawling vineyards that carpeted the Tuscan countryside. As the sun cast golden rays upon the rolling hills, we would walk hand in hand, marveling at the beauty of our surroundings. The air was fragrant with the scent of grapes, and the sound of birdsong filled the air. These walks were a meditation in motion, a chance to connect with nature and each other. Exploring hidden gems off the beaten path. Tuscany is a region full of hidden gems, waiting to be discovered by those willing to venture off the beaten path. We spent many happy hours exploring these hidden treasures, from ancient ruins to charming medieval villages. We would stumble upon forgotten churches adorned with frescoes or secluded beaches where we could swim in crystal clear waters. These discoveries made us feel like we were part of a secret club, privy to Tuscany's best-kept secrets. Sharing meals with friends and family. This video was created from an ebook on sale at www.pagebook24.com using a self-developed program by Pasquale DeMarco. Download the ebook now.